Empathy. I know how you feel. What is empathy? Your friend looks sad. She drew a picture and it got ripped. You say, I'm sorry. I know how that feels. You are showing empathy. Empathy is understanding your friend's feelings and caring about them. You can imagine how he or she feels. That lets you share the same emotion. You get me. Can you name some emotions? How about happiness, sadness, or anger? Everyone feels emotions. It is important to know our own emotions. That helps us see how others feel too. Try walking in someone else's shoes. Have you ever heard anyone say that? It means that you should try to imagine how someone else feels. When you walk in someone else's shoes, you feel what they feel, and you can feel empathy for the other person. Here are some ways to have and show empathy. Remember or imagine how you would feel in another person's shoes. Watch and listen closely to what another person is doing or saying. Ask what another person is feeling. Showing you care. Some kids are great at showing empathy. You have probably been in the same situations they have. When you read the stories about these kids, ask yourself, what would I do? Anna is upset. She lost her favorite eraser. It had sparkles on it. Molly remembers when she lost her favorite pencil. It smelled like cupcakes. She remembers how upset she was. She knows just how Anna feels. Molly says, I am sorry for your lost eraser. Jack watches his mother clean the kitchen while he eats his snack. He notices that she is not smiling like she usually does. She often sings while she cleans too, but today his mom is quiet. She seems sad. Jack thinks about what might cheer his mom up. He knows she loves his hugs. He gives her a big squeeze. Mason just started at Ben's school. Now he is sitting all alone at recess. Ben goes over and asks Mason how he is doing. It is lonely to be in a new school with no friends, Mason says. Ben imagines how he would feel in Mason's place. He asks him if he wants to play. They play together and have a great time. Some kids are whispering about Isabella. She thinks they are making fun of her. She looks like she will cry. Ryan knows it does not feel good to be teased. He tells Isabella it has happened to him before, and it made him feel really sad. I know what will help, he says. Let's go sit somewhere. Empathy works both ways. Share your feelings. That lets your friends understand how you feel. Then they will know they can share with you too. When friends care about each other, everybody feels good.